Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smartbird feeder camera won't charge, it can quickly take the camera offline and prevent you from capturing any bird activity. You might plug it in and see no charging light, notice the battery percentage never increases, or find that the camera powers off shortly after unplugging it. In many cases, the problem isn't the battery itself. A dirty charging port, a damaged cable, or an incompatible power adapter can all interrupt the charging process. Before assuming the camera needs a replacement, there are several simple checks that are worth trying. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps that can help restore normal charging. 1. Use the original charging cable and a compatible USB power adapter. 2. Inspect the charging port and gently remove any dust or debris. 3. Try a different charging cable or power outlet. 4. Leave the camera charging for at least 30 minutes before turning it on. 5. Restart the camera after it has gained some battery power. 6. Check whether the charging indicator or battery level begins increasing.